What's going on, everyone? EJustBe here. Not only am I going to talk about some of my favorite accessories for the iPhone 14 Pro, but I'm also going to be doing a giveaway of every single thing mentioned in this video. All you have to do is be a subscriber, give the video a thumbs up, and then comment down below which one of the items you want from today's giveaway. All right, let's get into it. One of my biggest problems with the new iPhone 14 Pro is the battery life. So I've been looking for different charging solutions to make it last a little bit longer when I leave the house. And one of the best solutions that I found so far is the Anker MagGo. This is a 7.5 watt, 5000 milliampere hour charger that connects via MagSafe. It's better than Apple's MagSafe charger, not only because it's cheaper, but also because of some of the design perks. It has a fold-in mechanism at the back that allows it to be used in a variety of situations. It's literally perfect for consuming content. As far as the charging capabilities, this is also clutch as well, because if my phone died when I'm on the go, I can use this to charge the battery from around 0 to like 70% on the 14 Pro. So you definitely want to check this out if you've been having battery issues like I have with any of the new iPhones. Staying on the topic of chargers, next up is the Nexo Mini from UGREEN. This is a 45 watt charger with dual USB-C, and it's enough power to charge not only your iPhone, but you could also charge some of the MacBooks. So if you're on the go and you want to pack a small little compact charger, then this is the one that you probably want to buy, especially if you're not into using wireless charging. This has been a space saver for me in so many occasions. So yeah, the UGREEN Nexo Mini is definitely a must-have accessory for any of the new iPhones. The third item is probably my favorite item on the list, and one that I use the most, of course. This is the clear case from MagBack. And this is 100% my favorite case for any of the iPhones that I've ever used. While it has a bunch of features, there's just one feature that puts it over the top of the rest. It's not the fact that it has a clear and minimal design, meaning that you can really appreciate the new look of the iPhone 14. No, it's not that. Or you might be thinking maybe it's because it has 6 feet drop protection, meaning if you're clumsy like me and you're walking outside and you dropped it, which I have, you can rest assured that it's going to be protected in this case. It's not that as well. Biggest feature of this that sets it apart from other phone cases is the fact that it can stick to any metal surface, and this has numerous applications. Let's say that you're outside recording content or being creative and you see a metal surface. You don't need to carry a tripod. You can literally stick it to that surface and use the camera at the front. So check out the link in the description below, and also use the code EJustBe15 to get 15% off your purchase. Next up is the Apple Wallet. This is a classic suggestion and goes with any iPhone. I really like the way that it looks. It looks sophisticated, and Apple really designed it well. It comes in a variety of colors, but the one I got this year is the ink version, which is kind of purplish, and to quote the lady at the Apple store, it's literally the color of ink. What makes it a must-have though is that it works with Find My, so if you were to lose it, you can actually track its location and get those cards back. It matches well with my space black iPhone 14 Pro. I really think it's a good color combination. These are definitely a must-have if you have the iPhone 14 or any iPhone really with MagSafe, of course. Yeah. A lot of people might say that the Apple Wallet is a little bit too expensive, and I totally understand. Times are hard nowadays. You might want a cheaper alternative that still provides good quality. So the next item is just that. This is the Moft Snap-on Wallet. Of course, it's made out of vegan leather, and it's a really, really good quality material and design. It generally looks good, but what I like about this is the fact that you can use it in different ways to interact with your phone. So if you're at your desk or on the go, maybe you're on a flight and you want to watch content, it makes it so easy to just turn your iPhone into portrait orientation and then just use the phone like that. After all, it is a wallet, so I don't want to miss that. This can hold up to 3 debit or credit cards. So if you are somebody that maybe is into minimalism and reducing the things that you carry around, this is the wallet to buy. And the last item, the bonus item that I'm going to include in the giveaway and in my list, is the new AirPods Pro 2nd generation. The sound on this blew me away. The noise cancellation is top notch, and the transparency mode is also improved this year. They just sound so clean. You can really hear the artist's vocals or the drums or the percussion or anything that you're listening to. And yeah, these are highly recommended if you're using the iPhone 14, maybe you're at the gym, you're on the go, you're going outside for a walk in nature, enjoying the beautiful weather. Why not get the best of the best? All right, that pretty much is it for my accessory list. Let me know what you think of any of the items. Make sure to subscribe to enter that giveaway, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.